Hi, week 1, 608. I'm hoping to learn more about school education rules as it applies to being an administrator, explaining those rules to all the staff and family. For example, as an administrator, you get to deal with parents that, might get hostile or be mad due to suspensions and expulsion cases, so knowing the law is crucial. I looked at CAPE 16, understanding and managing the complex interactions of all the school systems to produce teaching and learning. That is exactly what I want to figure out. It's very complex. I think this course should give me more readings, videos, ideas to do all that better. I currently translate for meetings and try to help hostile parents to learn the school system versus be mad or feel like victims. It's crucial to help all of our students and staff. Questions, I really need more information on how to turn in live text portfolios to the teacher. I'm looking to get some good readings and videos to support me for being an admin in this complex system. With my expertise, I'm a distinguished veteran teacher. I'm a single mom with a special kid that had to face the school district head on, especially after he got chemicals in his eyes while at school. Man, I sure learned a lot about educational law that day. I'm also an advocate for those with learning differences, and my big goal is to make a positive difference in the life of others.